Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make Excel option scanner. First open Excel and change to the option run as administration. Then open the Fires 1 trading terminal. The Nifty option, just right click and there you can see option change, just click it. In the bottom you can see there is a symbol like book, just click it. And there you can see link to Excel. Click that one and press OK. Then back to our Excel sheet, right click and paste it. Just wait for a few minutes, it will take some time to upload. Okay, now data is updating to the Excel. So now I am going to delete unwanted columns. Change, I don't want it, change and delete. Bit quantity, bit as quantity, delete. Total value and delete. Number of contract. Okay, unwanted columns and deleted. First I am going to make OHL scanner, open is equal to low, open is equal to high scanner. Okay, the condition is equal to if bracket open is equal to low, then showing open is equal to low. Next, if bracket open is equal to high, then it show open is equal to high. Okay, OHL scanner is ready now. Just drag it. Okay, some strike have open is equal to high and open is equal to low. So next, which are the strike having open is equal to high and open is equal to low? So in option trading, volume is very important factor. So I just sort to high volume to low volume. Go to filter and there you can see largest to smallest, just click it. Okay, then you can see highest trading volume to lowest volume. 11,400 call is open is equal to low. Then 11,150 call is open is equal to high. The first one pick it, that's having more volume, 11,400 call. Let's see the chart. $11,400. Okay, right click chart. See, once it break the 5 minutes high, it goes up. Around 1 point it goes up. Using this Excel scanner, we can analyze this strike movement easily. So if we are using 5 minutes breakout strategy, we will get around 1 point. So whenever you are doing in option trading, make sure that the particular strike have more volume. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, next method I am going to share you with which strike have more volume. Here 11,000 strike having more volume. See, 11,000 strike have more volume and 10,900 put having also more volume. So it should be have good movement in that particular strike. This is 10,900 put. So if you are applying any strategy, just use this 2 strike. Okay, if you looking for hedging, just pick this 2 strike because this 2 strike have more volume. Next I am going to change open interest based. Which strike have more open interest? 10,600 put having more open interest. See, we can sort next open interest also. 10,600 having more open interest. Okay, let's open the chart. 10,600 put. See, it start the movement. Once it take the support, it goes up. Like this way, we can analyze volume based, OHL based, and open interest based. We get the particular strike very easily. If you are having FIRES1 trading terminal, there is no delay. You will get accurate data within seconds. So in this video, I just explained you about how to make a option scanner with the help of FIRES1 trading terminal and Excel. So you also make this type of scanner very easily. This is Nifty. You can make the same in Bank Nifty also. All you need in FIRES1 trading terminal. That is an advanced trading terminal. And if you want to open a free trading account with the FIRES, just click the link below in the description box and fill your details. And this definitely a good trading platform. Hope you understand this strategy. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com and also visit nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.